The parents of Star Trek actor Anton Yelchin are breaking their silence about his sudden death. They held an emotional news conference yesterday and announced a wrongful death lawsuit against Fiat Chrysler, the parent company of Jeep. Yelchin was killed after his Jeep Grand Cherokee rolled backward and then pinned him in his driveway. His parents blame Fiat Chrysler for a poorly designed gear shifter. Kris Van Cleave is in Washington with the issue already the subject of a recall. Kris, good morning again.
Good morning. This is the problematic shifter, and you can see it lacks the traditional grooves that tell you you're in park, drive, or reverse, and that's leading to people thinking the car is in park when it's actually in reverse and then getting out and the car can roll back. In the Yelchin case, his family says they can't find the first recall notice, and the second one saying a fix was available arrived 7 days after his death.
And he loved life very, very much.
Through tears, their heartbreak was clear. The parents of Star Trek actor Anton Yelchin broke their silence 6 weeks after their only child's death to announce a lawsuit against Fiat Chrysler.
It is wrong. It's against nature when the parents bury its own child.
Yelchin died when his 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee apparently rolled backwards, pinning the 27-year-old against a fence at his Los Angeles area home. That Jeep is among 1.1 million vehicles worldwide recalled in April for an issue with the SUV's electronic shifter that can result in unintended rollaway incidents.
Yeah, he was very special, but now he's very special because his death might gonna save some other lives.
Government regulators report nearly 700 complaints claiming at least 68 injuries and 266 accidents linked to the shifter. Investigators called the design not intuitive, increasing the potential for unintended gear selection. A problem we first reported in March ahead of the recall, but Fiat Chrysler began getting negative consumer feedback about the shifter shortly after subject vehicles entered the market. That's as far back as 2012. It's no longer offered in new cars.
The Yelchin family is their biggest nightmare because they're not motivated by money. They can't be bought off. They want them punished and they want it changed in the way they do business. And we intend to go after them.
In a statement to CBS this morning, Fiat Chrysler says it extends its sympathies to the Yelchin family for their tragic loss. The company has not been served with a lawsuit and cannot comment further at this time. Now, Fiat Chrysler has issued a safety recall. The fix is now available for most vehicles. In the meantime, the company is encouraging people to make sure they have put the car into park and to set the parking brake before getting out. Charlie?
Kris, thanks.